picture, all this approximation you have to consider. And carp E, this is the repulsive interaction of the two electrons with like spin. So E means the repulsive interaction between the two electrons. If they have like spin, what will happen? There will be a repulsion between this electron. Okay, so that's mean from the very beginning, you see, if we look at this carp E, from the very beginning, what happens? The energy start increasing. Okay, that what it indicates? The energy becomes positive. That indicates the repulsion. Clear? Now one by one approximation we will discuss. Okay. And the actual observed bond distance is 74 picometer. Okay, but here if we don't consider any approximation, what is the bond distance we are getting? 90 picometer in case of A. We are getting 90 picometer. Now, what we will do, this A graph actually indicates there is no approximation we are considering. Now we will start considering one by one approximation. Okay, if we consider one next approximation, means B with exchange energy approximation, then what will happen? You see, this minimum value actually decreases. This energy value, then energy value decreases. Okay, negative value is decreasing, which is not too different from our first approximation. Means here this was 90 and here this is 74. Okay, but with experimental bond energy of hydrogen molecules, here we are considering the hydrogen molecule because hydrogen molecule is the simplest molecule. Okay, because it has only two electrons and two protons. Okay, and for the experimental bond energy of hydrogen molecule is minus 458 kilojoule per mole. Okay, which is almost 20 times greater than the first approximation. First approximation, if we consider, okay, means this is coming that minus 24 kilojoule per mole. Okay, this is actual the hydrogen energy experimental value is
way too crooked, and a lot of you guys don't know
for
this, but the sticker
458
industry
kilojoule
is owned by
per
one
mole.
guy, and he's get paid
Okay,
millions
now
of dollars to
if
place
you
stickers on laptops, and he does
consider
such
this
a crooked
all
job.
this
And the
approximation
reason why
means,
there's stickers
suppose
on your laptops
if
is
we
because
consider
these companies,
exchange energy
AMD,
approximation,
NVIDIA, and
then
Intel,
what will
give the
happen? The
manufacturers
exchange
a
energy
discount so they
approximation,
can
how
have their
this can be
sticker
considered, you
on the
see,
laptop. Now this is good for you, the consumer,
if we
because you get
examine the
a better
equation
deal
1,
on the
equation 1
laptop. It just looks
means,
really ugly.
this is
If
the
you don't want
equation 1.
stickers on your laptop, you
Equation
usually
1
pay
is
a lot more
psi equals
for
to
the
psi
laptop.
A
For example, the
1
MacBook Pro, Air,
into psi
Microsoft Surface
E
laptop, and
2.
even some Razer
Okay, if we
products
consider
don't have
this,
stickers on them because you're paying a
so
premium for it. So if you don't want stickers, pay more or just take them
we
off
must
yourself.
decide that we have been overly restrictive in using it to describe the hydrogen molecules. Okay. Because if we use that equation, okay, this actually don't tell the true picture, and we would never be sure that electron 1 will be always on atom A and 2 on atom B. And we must alter equation 1 in such a way in this. And we should remove the artificial restriction also. Suppose, let me show you when a bond is formed. Okay, suppose bond is formed, okay, between the two molecules. So, two molecules. So this is the electron of this. This is the electron of this atom. Okay. So exchange energy actually it indicates or tells that it is not like that always. This is the A atom, this is B atom. Okay, this electron say this is one, and this is two electron. Okay, this is designated in this way. That this will be confined within this A atom. Okay, at this two electron will be confined in the B atom. It is not like the case. Okay, there may be case where this two electron may be within A atom, and this one electron may be within B atom. Okay, this is that's why this is called the exchange of electron between these two atoms. This is possible. That's why what we have to do? You have to modify this equation 1 in this way. The wave function for molecule which will be produced. Okay, so these are why these are representing this indicate the interaction. Interaction means this atom, wave function of atom A and electron 1, and wave function of the atom B electron uh, uh, 2. Okay, this was the equation 1. Again, what another possibility is there, that this wave function of A atom, okay, this may interact with the electron 2, and wave function of the B atom, this may interact with the atom electron 1 in this way. Okay, that's why this is the exchange energy approximation. Yes.
Can you explain one more exchange energy approximation once more? Yes.
Once more, you see, here what happened when bond forms actually. Okay, that means these two atoms come sufficiently closer. Okay, and then what happens actually? There will be overlap in orbit, or this is, you can call it orbit or orbital. But one is if you consider this is hydrogen, then this will be 1s orbital, 1s orbital. There will be overlap between the orbital. Then what will happen? The electron 1, which should be present at the atom A, in the atom A, and this electron 2 should be present in the atom B. But when they become sufficiently closer, what will happen? Then this A atom can share the electron 2, B atom can share the electron 1 in this way. The exchange of electron can take place. Is it okay now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that means you can distinguish these two electron 1 and 2. Means one is belong to either it belongs to atom A or it belongs to atom B. You cannot distinguish. Okay, clear? When overlap will take place, then the equation 1 we see, but we when there is no overlap or exchange takes place, then this wave function of A and electron 1 will be there, electron wave function of B and electron 2 will be there as it is, and they are sufficiently apart. Okay, so there will be another combination will come. That means when exchange will takes place. So exchange, due to the exchange of electron, you have to represent or add this equation also. Clear? And this was suggested by the Hitler and London. Okay, and if we solve for the energy, so if we consider this interaction energy, exchange energy approximation, okay, then the energy, if we calculate, this will come out to be minus 303 kilojoule per mole. Okay, so this is somehow closer to this value. Okay, if we apply this exchange energy approximation, then again if we apply this shielding effect approximation, ionic structure approximation, and repulsive interaction between the two electrons, if we apply all this approximation, or if we consider this interaction, what will happen? Ultimately, we will reach a value, energy value of hydrogen molecules, almost say almost similar to these values, minus 458 kilojoule. Okay, so up to this I will discuss today, and this is given here. You can actually go through it. Clear? So here one thing.
Sir, please upload the PDF.
Okay, I will upload the PDF. And here one more thing, you see that here it is written that the physical explanation is probably best to ascribe the lowering of energy of molecules to the fact that the electrons now have a larger volume in which to move, and hence lowering its energy. Okay, and so this is another thing is that particle in a box. Okay, here this is inversely related to the size of the box. Okay, energy of the particle in a box. Okay, that I will discuss. I have discussed a little bit here. But next day I will also discuss a little bit because this is different topics. Okay, in physics you will study this one. Okay, particle in a one-dimensional box in quantum mechanics part. You have quantum mechanics in physics syllabus. Okay, but in chemistry also, in physical chemistry you have quantum mechanics part. There you have. So little bit I will discuss next day. Clear? Yes.
Sir, it is necessary to read books beside your notes.
Book you can read. I will recommend you for JT Lee. Do you have JT Lee?
No,
Sir,
sir.
it is necessary.
No, not necessary. Okay, not necessary. But if you are interested, we will always suggest that you can go through it. But it's not necessary because if you go through the lecture note, you will find it. This is more than sufficient. Okay, all things are done. And you can take the help of internet, YouTube also. Yeah.
Sir,
To
please
clarify.
add me in the chemistry group. I'm not added.
What is it?
Sir, Rahul Kumar.
Rahul Kumar.
Yes, sir.
RAHUL. Rahul
Third
Kumar.
one.
This one.
Third one. Third one. Yeah. No, sir, नीचे वाला.
ये वाला तुम्हारा 384 ना?
Yes.
Yes. तो
संतोष उरांव.
और कोई है क्या?
संतोष उरांव सर.
संतोष.
यस सर.
स्पेलिंग बताओ. SANNTOSH.
यस सर. यस सर, फर्स्ट वाला.
फर्स्ट वन.
Sir,
हाँ.
if you have, sir, if you have a JDL book in PDF format, can you upload in?
Okay, I will upload right now. Okay, I will upload right now, and you will go through it, and you, whatever problem you will find, we can discuss next classes. Okay.
Sir, please upload this module also.
I will upload. So just a minute. Let me download your attendance.
So can you add me also?
Yes. Your name?
Shruti Nag.
Shruti Nag.
Yes, sir.
Sorry. SHR.
Yes,
First
sir.
one, huh? 98 roll number.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Or if anyone left, any one of your friend, if they are left, please leave a message. Yes.
Sir, please also add me.
Yes.
Sir, my name is Mayank Kumar.
Spelling?
MAYA. Sorry.
Mayank Kumar. This is coming,
yes, sir, first one.
120. Okay.
So thank you.
I think those who have attended these classes, all of you have been added. Okay. Or if any one of your friend there yet to add in the team, please leave a message. Okay. You can message me. Okay. In the MS team, I will add.
Sir,
Yeah.
Please add my name. My name is Nuru Gayatri.
Yes. PU.
O.
P.
O.
P. What? It is P.
Nuru Gayatri.
Gayatri. G. A. Your roll number, you tell your roll number.
BTech 10273.
10273.
3.21.
0.21. This should come now.
Yes.
Yes.
Sir, please also check King Shuk Banerjee.
Thank you, sir.
Kingsuk.
King. Yes, sir.
Kingsuk Banerjee, I think you have been added. You are already there. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sir, we have to join another class, sir. Meeting has
Yeah.
started.
I can leave now. No problem.
Thank you.